Hi guys, I'm recording a video today. I'm gonna be. I like doing these when I'm not recording. Killing, stealing, selling. Killing, stealing, selling. So I'm gonna kill someone, steal their items. This means I put the bag, the item. It's not that thingy-mabobber. Then sell it. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be killing people with the best weapon in the game. My little sniper rifle. I'm just gonna tell you, I don't have the best aim. Or the luck. Alright, let's go. What the hell? Is that a beehive?
Yeah, sure.
I've never seen that.
Can I get two?
Let's go.
Anyone know how to fix Plexus lag? It's because
Black, stand still.
How you teleport with the daggers is, by the way, how you throw teleport is you throw it when it lands on something, it teleports you.
Yeah. I've had these before. Just last time I joined the modded server, and I disappeared. I'm gonna get another one. It's fine if I don't.
I heard him.
Yeah,
Get another what?
Get another
what? Sword.
Get a thing.
Swords.
Get a thing. It's a thing, okay?
What is it? What is that? What is that teleporter sword called?
It's called a sword. That's what it's called.
No, actually,
It's literally called a teleport dagger.
Oh, we killing now? Headshot. Hey.
I'm okay.
Hey,
What up, bro?
I'm recording a video. Don't kill me.
I'm not here. You can take a teleport dagger.
W, bruh. W, bruh. Thank you. Do you have a channel? I can show you out if you want.
Don't be no.
Alright, if you want, subscribe to Peanut VR123. I'm gonna probably change it to
Peanut
Mr.
VR
Peanut.
123.
Yeah, it's probably just gonna be a peanut.
Here, can you hand me my phone, please? I got my phone, bro.
I'm recording
So, is
a
it
video.
just spelled like Peanut VR, no spaces?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm gonna get back on my killing streak.
Peanut
Wait,
VR.
can I kill you? Can I kill you for fun? Alright, bye-bye.
You wait, don't leave.
What? What's up, YouTube? Yo, I get a subscriber. Oh my.
Shut up, bro. Nastiest, I think no.
17, really? 17?
1738.
17?
Alright, give me a hello. Sit down, buddy.
Come here, bro.
What's up, YouTube?
Yo, you have 17 subscribers? Good job, bro.
Damn, I'm grinding now. Hey! Stop harassing me.
Turn it on. I subscribe.
Yippee. Hey, man, what are you doing? Hold up,
Come
man.
here.
Ordered and died.
Wow.
Is that a piece of goop?
What's the T called? Who was that, bro?
Yeah, I'm cooler than this kid right here.
Oh, yeah, I'll friend you because you're cool.
Get out!
No, you are not.
Alright.
So now you have 18 subs.
Yay.
Nice try, bro.
Alright, I'm joining a different lobby because
bro.
no one's
No, join me.
I
Trust, join
can't,
me.
bro. I'm in mid-vid. I can't, bro. I'm going back on my screen.
Hey, bro.
Just stay in the private. I'll join you after vid. Well, that was a good talk.
Someone.
Mama, shit. I feel so free going out of safe zone like a good boy. Did you just cause suicide? No.
Where's my stuff?
No, you have to go. Someone's trying to kill. Someone's trying to kill, guys.
Chasing me.
Wait.
Hey.
What happened to my stuff?
I don't kill you.
Somebody
you don't
stole my
kill me.
stuff.
Friendly. Here you go.
I'm friendly.
Then why did you shoot?
No, I have your stuff, dude. I have it.
Who killed me?
Me to the Discord.
Yo, I didn't kill you, bro. I didn't kill you. He killed us.
I'm doing the tournament. I'm doing the
They
tournament.
flying. Okay, I see what they're doing. I see
doing
what
the
they're
Glock
doing.
tournament.
I see what they're doing.
Glock tournament.
A Glock tournament.
Okay. Anybody else?
Oi, mate! Oi! 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 Who the fuck killing me? Who killed me? Someone, guys, I think someone's invisible. Oh, they motherfucker! They're trying to steal my glove, bro.
Hey, motherfucker.
Oh, I'm motherfucking coming up. Mimi, you're not.
I'm trying to revive him. I'm trying to revive him, bro. Somebody help!
Get down, Get down,
Great. Watch out, doggy. Wait, do I get my bag?
Fine. Dude, hold up. I'm not selling, bruh. Here, the video's just gonna be killing people. What the fuck is this?
Okay.
Hold on, I might nap this out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm napping.
Bro. Bro.
Oh, Chacho. I made that, bro, Chacho. Hey, why you trying to steal my copies, motherfucker? Bro, why are people trying to steal my sniper? No, bro. Still got it, guys. So guys, guys, if you wanna not get muted, so imagine I just say fucking me, pause. You say fudge me in the mouth.
I'll revive you, child. I'll revive you.
Fuck! Yeah, my aim is washed.
Phew.
What the?
Almost died.
Do I hear it? Hey, stop stealing my creations, bruh! Stop stealing them, bruh!
I got you, son. Science! Yo, I just comboed him.
Why are you stealing my
Goodbye.
creations? Yo, stop fucking
Yo,
stealing
why'd
my
you
creations,
grieve
you
him?
fucking bitch!
I just
Stop
sent a
fudging
little
my
kid, bro.
creations, you banana. Bro, why are you stealing my creations,
Who
bro?
let you? Hold up. Who's saying stop stealing my creations? Bye.
Me! I made it! Me! Me, the YouTuber.
Maybe you shouldn't drop your weapons.
I died actually. And you're just
Maybe you
probably
shouldn't be
dumb.
dying with your weapon. If you
No,
don't want
well,
nobody
I'm
to-
making a video where I kill
What just happened?
12
What?
hours.
Yo, who's
That's
lacking
for the
a
rest of
certain-
the day, bro.
This guy.
Oh, does not have that much good aim. Alright, I'm editing the video. Don't recommend.
I don't know, but I'm leaving.
Oh,
But I'm leaving it if it's gonna keep glitching. Yeah, I'm leaving.
wow.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Same here.
Go sub to me.
Whoever
Bye.
glitching the sheet.
Bye.